Why does your haircut look amazing at first, but stop looking fresh after just a week? Here are the 3 most common reasons. Number 1, the haircut wasn't designed to grow out well. A good haircut shouldn't just look good as you leave the salon. It should be designed to maintain its shape as your hair grows. If it only looks good for a few days, the structure probably wasn't built for longevity. Number 2, the haircut doesn't fit your hair. Every hair type reacts differently or behaves differently. Flat, thin, thick, stubborn, wavy, straight. If your haircut doesn't follow how your hair naturally falls or naturally behaves, it loses its shape faster. Number 3, you're not using the right styling products. Even a well-executed haircut still needs the right support. The right styling product helps maintain shape, control, and texture between appointments, so your haircut stays looking fresh for longer. And that is why we created Vion by Facundo, a solution-based styling product designed not just to style the hair, but to condition the hair. The goal isn't just a haircut that looks good today. It's a haircut that still looks intentional weeks from now. If that's the result you're after, let's make that happen. Book your appointment now.